What's up mga ka-Vibe 9? Slice tayo ng ano dito. Sibuyas na puti, kamatis, luya, ahos, at espadang haba. Careful sa knife mo. Dito hiwa mo no? May ubusin to may? Ang sibuyas? Kalahati lang. Kalahati lang. Ubusin. Oh, careful. 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 Uy, di man makita ang one slice mo. Nagpakita. Tagilid na lang. Di man makita. Yun. 101. Ano ba tawag dito? Tutorial how to cut. Tutorial how to cut like a ninja. Oy, what happened to the phone? Tutorial on how to cut the spices like a ninja, like a pro. Long, careful long. Where's your toys long? Get your toys. Get your toys and put it in the net that I gave you. Sige na. Sige na. Where's your lot of toys? You have a very lot of toys. You hide your toys? Where did you put it? Sayang dito. Hindi siya mapil dito. Careful. No, get out of your hands. Papa is busy, huh? Just look, ha? Just look. Just look and learn. Your chore. No, careful. Ano ba yan? Pinaglalaruan mo when you play the spices eh. That's bad. That's bad. You're playing the spices. The Gracia will not be happy. Okay? Ano ba to? Oops, umataas. Careful, baby. Sasa naman ang luya. Luya naman mga tato, baby. Yan, ganyan lang. Kagis-kagis lang lo. Guys, ha? Find your toys. Find your lot of toys. Uy! Gusto mo nang gilak mo tayo na. Uy, klaro gilak ni baby siguro. Ambot kayo ako kati manugilak ba na ako na? Careful. See, where's your toys be? No, I'm busy. Mami, si Gio. Palayo lang. Ay, patay na ni video. Iyok na ni video.